So 3 things that keep us stuck. One is that we're climbing the wrong ladder. Second one is what I call identity fraud and excess baggage. So we're trying to climb the so-called ladder of success with the wrong identity and with stuff that doesn't serve us anymore. And then thirdly, it's about being energetically aligned. Are you aligned vibrationally with your dreams and your intentions, or are you actually attracting something completely different and sabotaging yourself? Okay, so first of all, you hear about the ladder of success all the time. You know, people spend their whole life climbing up the ladder of so-called success, only to get to the top or to the end of their lives and find out actually they were climbing the wrong ladder. So they were ticking off all the boxes, the friends, the family, the car, the relationship, the career, and they get to the end and still feel like there's something missing. And I was thinking, why is that?